Hey, now we're back out of here with another little vid.
Pasó.
¿Qué pasó ahí?
Pasó ahí.
So I made these sprouts. Check this out. And they love them. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna show you how I made them in another video. Check out the little garden here. We got some tomatoes, some basil, some peppers, green peppers, jalapenos. We got Alfie. But yeah, guys, they absolutely love the sprouts. I'm gonna show you guys in a video coming up how I made them.